Alright, so the other video cut off, so I'm going to just start where I left off. So if you look, we have our x minus 4y equals 8. Alright, and I'll do it on here. I'll just start over with that. We have x minus 4y equals 8. We're just manipulating it because our end result we want to be y equals mx plus b. Okay? So we subtracted x from both sides. Alright, and now we have minus 4y equals negative x plus 8. And the reason I wrote it like this is because I'm just setting myself up for mx plus b. You can write 8 minus x, but it's just easier in the long run if you set it up this way now. Okay? The only thing that's making y not by itself is this negative 4 that's being multiplied to it. So if we divide it, we can get it to the other side. Okay? And now we have y equals negative x plus 8, and all of this is over negative 4. So we're just going to simplify it. All right. So if we simplify it, we have y equals negative 1 over 4x. And then let's divide that 8 by negative 4, which would be, this would be a positive end up being, and this would be negative 2. Okay, so we have y equals 1 over 4x. All right, and it became positive because we have two negatives, minus 2. Now this is in slope intercept, and we have positive 1/4 as our slope, so our slope is 1/4. And our b is negative 2, so our y-intercept is 0, negative 2. Let's plot that 0, negative 2. Okay, our slope is, you're going to rise 1, right 4, rise 1, right 4, which would be off the graph. And we would just connect those points to the straight edge, if you would like, or you can just try to do your best to make it straight. And you can see that our lines intersect here. Okay, which would be 4, negative 1. So again, we have one solution. At 4, negative 1. Okay. So you're going to do some examples on your own now. Okay, so you'll follow the same steps. Identify which type of equation it is, graph it, then do the second equation, graph it, and then tell us where they intersect, which would be one solution if they intersect at one spot, okay, in the solution type, or if they don't intersect and you have parallel lines, you would tell us no solution. If they end up being the same line or they're graphed basically on top of each other, it would be infinitely many solutions.